Hey guys, now let's test the new platform. It's called Magic Teams. We just give the same platform, same prompt, and just the number and the voice. We just clone the voice here and save changes, and we're just calling it. Yeah, we just initiated a call. So we are getting the call. Hi there, how are you?
Hello, thank you for calling back. My name is Tim, and I'm a representative from Complex, a tourist complex in Dubai. I understand you tried to reach us earlier, but unfortunately we missed your call.
So
How can I
what is
assist
this
you
call
today?
about? Hello, why are you calling me?
I'm calling you back because you had tried to reach us at Complex, but we didn't get a chance to speak with you. I wanted to follow up and see if you had any questions or needed information about our activities or services. We offer a wide range of exciting activities such as jet skiing, motocross, Lamborghini driving,
Jet
quad
ski
biking,
sounds
buggy
super
riding.
good. What is it about?
Our activities are designed to provide an adrenaline-packed experience for our visitors. We have a variety of options to choose from. For example, our jet skiing activity allows you to ride a high-powered jet ski across the water,
So
feeling the rush
what is
of
the
the wind.
cost of it?
The cost of our activities varies. For jet skiing, it starts from €90 for a half-hour session. If you're interested in something else, we have motocross and quad biking starting from €30 for a half hour, water karting from €40 for an hour, buggy rides from €50 for an hour, and for the ultimate experience, Lamborghini driving on our desert circuit starts from €100 for an hour. We also
Yeah,
offer
Lamborghini
discounted
sounds
rates.
good. Lamborghini sounds good, so I want to do it. So what are the needs for it?
The Lamborghini driving experience is one of our most popular activities. To participate, you'll need to be at least 18 years old and have a valid driver's license. You'll
Makes
also need
sense.
to wear clothes.
How many people can do that?
We can accommodate individuals as well as groups of any size. However, if you're planning to come with a group of 8 people or more, we can offer you a discounted rate. This can be a great option for corporate events, birthday parties, or just a fun day out with friends. And don't worry, all of our activities are available 7 days a week from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. without any interruptions.
That is
Would you
awesome.
like?
So should I book an appointment or something?
No need to book an appointment. You can just show up at the complex and we'll get you set up for the activity of your choice. We're open 7 days a week from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. so you can come at a time that's convenient for you.
Makes
Once you
sense.
decide
Makes
which
sense. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help. Just to confirm, I'll send you the location of the Lamborghini driving activity and you can come whenever you're ready. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Have you understood everything? And is there anything else you'd like to know?
Yeah.
Thank you
Yeah.
again. And
I got everything right. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
You're welcome. It was a pleasure assisting you. Have a great day and an amazing time at the complex in Dubai. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye. So that is how it is. It's super fast, super accurate, and the best experience I have. So this is the future of how actually things work. So yeah, and this is the technology that you need. Bye bye.